Let's see various ways to calculate sum in Excel. So let's say for this data set we have to calculate sum for all these fields, and we'll calculate the sum here. First we can use the sum function, which is very simple. Now I'll copy it to the right by pressing Ctrl R. Right, we have some error here, but we'll come to it later. The next thing we can use is the subtotal function. Now we have various options. We can select any function, but for now I will select sum function. And for reference, I will select all the values again, just like sum function, and copy it to the right. The final thing we can do is use the aggregate function. Again, we have various options, but I will select sum function just like subtotal. And here we can ignore various things. Let's ignore nothing for now. And I will select this array and copy it to the right. So for aggregate function I am ignoring nothing. You can see that all the values are same here. Now let's do one thing. Let's apply filters here. If I don't want to include basket category, so you can see that now the values are different here, but aggregate and sum function are resulting into the same values. The subtotal is different. There is a difference because the subtotal function is ignoring hidden rows here. Right, let me remove the filter, and we again have the same values. So we can modify the aggregate function to exclude hidden rows, just like subtotal. Here we have the option ignore hidden values. So we can use this, and then let me apply the filter again. And now we have the same values for subtotal and aggregate, but sum function includes everything by default. Aggregate function is more flexible. It gives us various options to ignore hidden rows, error values, nested subtotal, and aggregate functions. So you can ignore all these things using the aggregate function. Let us try this. There you go. Now we don't have any error here. It has ignored errors. And let me show you one more thing. I'm going to remove these filters, and let's now calculate subtotal. Go to data, outline, and subtotal. So this list is sorted by category. I will select category here and sum function, and I have selected all these fields for which I want to calculate the sum on change of category. Let's do it. Now we have outlines here, right? Let me hide some values by collapsing this outline. Now you can see that all these values are different now, right? Because aggregate function is ignoring everything. You can see that here we have used ignore hidden rows, error values, and nested subtotals. So it is ignoring hidden values and errors values, everything. Here if you want to exclude hidden values, then use this option below, 109. So all the values above 100 here in this list ignore hidden rows, right? Let's do it. Now we have same values for subtotal and aggregate. So this is how you can use various functions to calculate sums. If you found this video useful, please like and share it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such useful videos. Thanks for watching.